Now come to the next terminology, assets. Any valuable things owned by the business is called assets. The valuable things which is under the possession of the business, owned by the business, is the assets of that business, or any amount which will be realized by the business in future is your assets. There are two types of assets, fixed assets and current assets. Assets is divided as two types of assets. One asset is called fixed assets. If you classify the assets, fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets are those assets which are used for a longer period of time. The benefit of those assets are derived by the business for a longer period of time, and it is not meant for resale. It is used in the business, and these assets increases the profit earning capacity of the business. Fixed assets increases the profit earning capacity of the business. These assets are not meant for resale, and these assets are used for a long period of time, more than 1 year. For instance, example of the fixed assets, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. It's a fixed assets because these assets are used by the business for producing goods and services for a long period of time, and it is not meant for resale, and these assets increases the profit of the company, earning capacity of the company. Plant and machinery, land and building, these are the fixed assets. Furniture and fixture, your motor car, livestock, animals. If the business purchases animals for business use, then it is called livestock. So any assets which is in the possession of the business, which is going to use by the business for a longer period of time, more than 1 year, it comes under the fixed assets. So one of the characteristics of fixed assets is what? These assets are used for more than 1 year. It may be for 10 years, 5 years, 20 years, but at least more than 1 year. Second, these assets are not meant for resale. It is used in the business. We have not purchased these assets for sell it again. No, we purchase these assets to use in the business for producing goods and services. And these assets increases the profit earning capacity of the business. Current assets are those assets which can be converted into cash within a year. Current assets are those assets of the business which can be converted or which will be converted into cash within a year. For instance, your bills receivable, debtors. We'll discuss about debtors in details. We'll discuss about the debtors in details. So anything which can be converted into cash and cash equivalent within a year is your current assets. Prepaid expenses, stock of goods, closing stock of goods. These are our current assets. How will recognize this is the current assets or not? Current assets means those assets which can be converted into cash within a year, within 12 months are our current assets. Realize this amount within a year is our current assets. Other current assets are cash at bank, these are the current assets. Now, another assets is, we can classify tangible and intangible assets. We can classify the assets like this as well: tangible and intangible. Tangible assets means which we can see, we can touch, is our tangible assets. Plant and machinery is tangible asset, we can see, we can touch it, plant and machinery. Land and building is our tangible assets. Furniture and fixture is our tangible assets, we can see, we can touch. Motor car is our tangible assets, it is also fixed and also tangible. What is intangible assets? That cannot be touched or that cannot be felt. We cannot touch it, we cannot see it. Goodwill, reputation is our intangible assets, we only felt it. Goodwill. Your patents, trademark, these are intangible assets. We can't see these assets, but we can feel it. We can't touch it, but we can feel it. These are the assets. These are tangible, intangible assets, not visible, invisible assets. So these are the visible assets called tangible assets. These are invisible assets of the firm called intangible assets. Some assets are called liquid assets. What is liquid assets? Liquid assets. Those assets which can be converted into cash within a short notice. The assets which can be converted into cash within a short notice is called liquid assets. So liquid assets are, cash is most liquid assets, no need to convert the cash, it is already in liquid form. Cash at bank, marketable securities, these are liquid assets which can be converted into cash within a short notice. Debtors, bills receivable, these are our liquid assets which can be converted into cash within a short notice, says maybe a month, maybe the 3 months, maximum 3 months. Next assets is your nominal assets, which is also known as fictitious assets. Nominal assets is also known as fictitious assets. The example of nominal assets are deferred advertisement expenses, profit and loss account having debit balance, preliminary expenses. The amount of these assets cannot be realized in cash, the amount cannot be realized in future, and no benefit can be derived from these assets. Deferred advertisement expenses means these are the revenue expenses which is not yet written off from the firm's book. So these are the nominal assets. In fact, nominal assets are not the actual assets of the firm. It may be a loss or it may be a deferred revenue expenditure which is not yet written off. However, it is showing in the asset side of the balance sheet. That's why it is said that it is a nominal asset or it's a fictitious assets. In fact, it's not an assets. Either it's a loss or it's a deferred revenue expenditure which is not yet written off.